Hey guys, welcome back to Kylie's Fun Family Toy Time. Today we're going to be making an egg shaker. Let's get to it. So here are the things you're going to need for your egg shakers. You're going to need one plastic egg, any color will do. I'm using blue. 2 tablespoons of rice, any type of rice will do too. And Scotch tape or duct tape. Let's get to it. So the first thing you'll have to do is open your plastic egg. And then you're going to put the 2 tablespoons of rice inside. Without making a mess, like I usually do. It's best if you had a funnel, but can if you want to this one. But I'm gonna clean up the mess. Make sure it's kind of like not filled to rim. How I figured this out is I use 1 tablespoon at a time until it's about half full. And if you don't have a tablespoon, you can eyeball it too. So then now you put the cover on your egg shaker and you get a piece of your Scotch tape out. And then you put it around the egg where it closes the rim. Like this. And if it doesn't get equal out, then you can grab another piece. And then at the end, you can just like flip the tops and bottoms so it'll close better. And here you have it. You have an egg shaker. So I hope you guys like my video, and I hope you guys enjoy making this egg shaker for my brother Kylie. Bye guys. This is what they really sound like. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys. If you liked this video, you should go check out my other videos.